In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lightbox anything in Squarespace. A lightbox is a simple, elegant way to let visitors click an image and see a larger version in a focused overlay without leaving the page. It's perfect for portfolios, product shots, or any visual you want to highlight while keeping everything else dimmed in the background. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and navigating to the page with the image you'd like to enhance. Hover over the image and click to select it, then choose the pencil icon to open the block's settings. This is where you control how the image behaves. If you're working with a gallery or a product image, the process is the same. Open the item so you can adjust its display options. A quick tip here: lightboxes look best with high-resolution images, so make sure your source file is crisp enough to hold up when enlarged. Inside the Settings panel, switch to the Design tab. This tab determines how the image is presented on the page and how it behaves when clicked. Look for the lightbox option and enable it. Turning this on tells Squarespace to open the image in a pop-up overlay, giving your visitors a larger, distraction-free view. Next, open the lightbox theme settings. This is where you define the look and feel of the overlay itself. You'll see two straightforward choices: light overlay or dark overlay. Choose light overlay if your site uses bright backgrounds, or if your images are mostly dark and you want to maintain contrast around the edges. Choose dark overlay if you prefer a cinematic effect that really makes bright images pop, or if your site's overall aesthetic leans bold and moody. Think about your brand colors, the average brightness of your images, and readability of any captions when deciding. If you're not sure, start with dark overlay for maximum focus, then switch to light to compare. As you preview the image, pay attention to clarity and contrast. If the enlarged version feels soft, consider uploading a higher resolution original so it looks sharp in the lightbox. Also, keep accessibility in mind. Ensure any text or icons that appear in the overlay remain easy to see against the background you choose. That's all there is to it. With the image selected, the design set to use a lightbox, and your overlay theme chosen, your visuals will open in a clean, professional pop-up that keeps visitors engaged on the same page. Try it across key visuals to create a cohesive, polished viewing experience throughout your site.